It feels so good. The minute you apply it, you can feel like a burst of moisture on your skin. Okay, I'm gonna take the wheat trimmer. I've been using this for a very, very long time. So I'm taking the MAC Stroke Cream. This is in Pink Light. This is the Laneige Lip Balm. It's so good. The name is completely rubbed off. Alright, so I'm going to conceal and then move on to foundation. So I'm picking this LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff. Okay, so the concealer I'm going to put again is the Flower Beauty Concealer. Now this is in the shade Light Medium. Make sure you are tapping the beauty sponge and then pushing the product out. You're not dragging the sponge because it defeats the purpose then. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Brow Artist Expert. The Rufa Beauty lashes once again. I'm loving her styles. This is in the style Nulia. So I put on the lashes and now I'm going to line my waterline. I'm taking the Lakme Kohl Ultimate. It's from the Gelato collection and this is in the shade 03 Raspberry. I'm going to start from here. I'm going to add some pink as well to balance it out. This is the Kiro Glow On Blush Duo 02 Perfect Pink and Fresh Grapefruit. Just want to throw in a very quick motivation message here. Guys, I know a lot of you must be thinking makeup is difficult and you know, I don't know how she does it. Like I'm trying every time I watch your tutorials, but I just cannot pull it off like you guys. Practice. That's the only thing. If you go back to my first videos, dude, oh, disaster, right? So you improve with practice. So make sure you are trying daily if you want to perfect yourself in makeup. Doing makeup on your own is kind of empowering. Like knowing your face and knowing how to do your makeup is really feels like very empowering. So just practice. Trust me, I didn't get here just like that. I did over 1,000 videos and makeup every day till today. I watch tutorials and practice, and that is why I'm able to do what I can do today, and I continue to practice. I'm a student for life. For highlighter, I'm taking K Beauty in Champagne Fizz. It's my cordless Dyson Corral. That's the best. I don't have to plug it in anywhere. I'm taking the NYX lip pencil in Disco Rage, and for lipstick I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay lipstick. This is the ink crayon.